Good morning. So today when we are doing our equations, we're going to have some inequalities in that. And the good news is we've already done inequalities in class. You'll remember this sign. In class we never called it inequalities, we called it Colin the crocodile. And you'll remember that Colin likes to eat the larger number. So if we had the number 9 and 3, well, Colin is certainly going to want to eat the 9 over the 3. Okay? If we had the number 4 and 10, then Colin is obviously going to be wanting to eat the 10. So we've already covered that. When we're doing it in an equation, and we have x is greater than 2, and we know that because Colin is wanting to eat the x before he's wanting to eat the 2. So if I asked you what x could be, you could say, well, any number greater than 2. So you could say it equals, it could be 3, it could be 4, it could be anything greater than 2. It could even be a decimal as well. It could be 2.5, it could be just anything greater than 2. If we had this one, then Colin is wanting to eat the 4. So that means that x must be smaller than 4, must be less. So a number less than 4, it could be 3, 2, 1, 0. And that's as simple as it is. The only thing new, or something that we may have touched on briefly in class, is this. So what this means is the number on this side is going to be greater than that one because that's the way Colin's facing. But this line underneath looks a bit like an equal sign, and that's exactly what it means. It means it's equal to or greater than whatever's on this side. So if we put a 2 here and an x here, then that means that x is greater than 2, and we know that because of the way Colin's facing. But the equal sign underneath, that means that x can equal to or be greater than. So for an example, x could equal 2, 3, 4, etc. If we had x and this sign here, so we can see that Colin is facing the 1. So that means that x must be smaller than 1 because Colin's wanting to eat this. So that means that x, and we've got the equal sign down here, so x can equal 1 or be smaller than. So x could equal 1, 0, minus 1, 0.5, basically anything that's smaller than 1. I'll give you one more. X is greater than or equal to 3. And we know this because Colin is facing the x, so he wants to eat this, so it must be larger. So it can equal as well because the equal sign's there. So x equals 3 or is greater than. So we would write that as x equals 3, or it could be 4, 5, 6, etc. So this is just a wee introduction, and on your worksheet today you're going to have a few examples to try, and if you're needing any help, please email me and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Right, give that a go, see how you got on.